Hey guys, Homesteading cheaper by the dozen. If you guys watched one of our earlier videos on the Traco, I think it was probably the first one. I showed some videos of this pop-up camper and talked about how we were going to be trading it to our cousin for partial use on the Traco. And I was planning on just being a little roof repair, and then it'd be ready to go for them because they were going to go on vacation to the beach with us this last summer. In August, I think is when we went. But anyhow, it turned into be a little more work than what we planned, like those things usually turn out to be. They had to rebuild the whole top end of the roof, and then he bought some roofing metal that hadn't been rolled out yet and just put that over the top to cover it, and it actually turned out really nice and really stout. So we got rolling. Of course, it was late once we got on the road and pulled into Walmart, and we realized that we didn't have any tail lights, so we spent about 2 hours in the Walmart parking lot trying to do some wiring and trace down bulbs and whatnot. Finally got that up and running, and then we got on the road. And as we ran about a couple hours and got to Bristol, we were going out to Virginia Beach, and got to Bristol and stopped for a couple hours and camped out in a Walmart parking lot. There's our old rig, and we got a generator, our old generator that we ran the house off of. We put it up on the roof because we couldn't get the house generator working, and then run the shore power down through there and worked like a charm for about 10 hours. And after 10 hours, it locked up. We'd previously rebuilt it, and the rebuild just didn't hold. But anyhow, worked out good anyway. We found a Honda generator on Craigslist and ended up paying, I think, $200 for it once we got out to Virginia. Here's all the kiddos. They're all piled up in here for breakfast this morning. They're all excited about the vacation, getting to go out and see the beach. We made it out to Virginia and stayed at a buddy's house, and we didn't have the roof air conditioner for some reason off the pop-up wasn't working, so we ended up cutting a hole in the wall. And we'd actually taken a window air conditioner along with us just for this plan, but cut a hole in the wall, and Sean did a really good job cutting it in and hoping to have like a little door that you can just flap open and then slide the air conditioner out, and then whenever you're on the road you can slide the air conditioner back in and close it up. There's the finished product. Fit perfect. It was actually beautiful. Worked good. Parked it in the woods, up against the woods, and it wasn't in anybody's way. There's the guys playing a little football, having some fun on their time off. But we're up and rolling. That's a finished project. Turned out really nice. As we made it out to Virginia, we went up to Washington, D.C. for a couple days. Our second oldest daughter was graduating high school and wanted to kind of go to Washington, D.C. for a class trip. This is an awesome little campground, Prince William Forest, I think is what it was. And we stayed out there, and it was really nice. I think it was like $20 a night. That was good. That was a good deal, and really nice, clean campground. I really enjoyed it. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoy the video, and like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Have a good day.